What's the meaning of backroom? Backroom. Backroom.
Backroom. Backroom. The term backroom can have a few different meanings depending on the context. One common usage refers to a private room located in the back of a building or establishment. This type of back room is often used for storage, meetings, or other private purposes. In a political context, back room may refer to secretive or underhanded dealings that occur outside of public view. Similarly, in a business context, back room may imply secretive or unethical actions taking place behind the scenes. Overall, the term backroom often suggests hidden or covert activities, whether they are sinister or innocuous.